Hey everyone, it's me, Jonas. Look at this beautiful pile of timber. This is all black walnut, by the way. I messed it up pretty good, and now I'm gonna make it good. I need my table saw, let's go get it. Check it out. It's my table saw. Yeah, it just kind of folds like that. That's kind of neat. Maybe I'll just put it like this. Cool. What I'm going to do is grab a fence and run some of the wood along it, take the bark off, and some pieces like this where it's kind of far out. I can only take about 3.5 inches off. So I'll do my best, and the rest will be planed off later. This is my adjustable fence. It's fairly big, thanks to my father-in-law. You can get these at Harbour Freight. They're cheap. It just slots on there. It's pretty good. Probably more prudent to turn it around though. This is the front, and so I'd prefer if it was long end at the back. I probably won't use it right away anyway. How about you come closer and have a closer look, huh? This is that's a piece of walnut that I turned into my pushing stick. In terms of safety, you know, wear glasses, stay far away from the blade, try not to stand right in front of it because the wood might shoot out this way. All that stuff is bad. I would have a cover like this on it, but because I'm cutting very high, tall pieces, it's not an option for me. And more often than not, I'm doing things like that, so I don't even bother putting one on. I do have one though. And look at that. You can just raise the blade out. It goes to about a 45-degree angle as well. Yeah, look at that. And for example, a piece like this, like how high can I get? I can get to about here, so I'm just going to have to run this through like this and just take a piece off. Let's do this one first. I'm just going to put my earplugs in, have a sip of coffee. It's good coffee. And then I'm just going to work my way through these real quick. Most importantly, I just want to take the bark off the edges, and then that way I can also make a straight edge on both sides and plane them down easier later. That's all I really want to do in terms of the tall angle. And now I'm gonna just chop off the bark. I'm gonna basically wing one side and then line up the fence to make the other side the same. That's the best way to do it, I've found. And I mean, this blade is very tall right now, it seems, but it's actually barely going to get above the end piece, so unfortunately it does need to be out that far for the first cut. Maybe I'll bring you guys around this other side to have a look at that. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces here, and this end piece, and this piece. I hope it's enough. So what's the next step? Planing. Let's get the planer. Planer. It's gonna put it on the table. Saw. I'm gonna have to vacate the wheelbarrow for the chips. Put that right here. This one's gonna be interesting. Can it be usable wood? I think actually, I guess this could be 2 legs, in which case I do want it this thick. If I then chop this here and this here, and then have 2 legs there, this is done. That already looks amazing. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but this is usable wood. This is good. Okay, I'm just going to plane all these other ones down and see where we're at. That's it. Last piece. I'm gonna have to go all the way down here. It's gonna be very thin. There's not much in there, but let's go. Actually, I'm just gonna slice this end bit off real quick. Bloody heavy, these things. All right. What's up with that? This is the point where I realized my planer is broken. I need to stop. I've got some things to do. Last piece can't do it. Planer's got a piece stuck in it. Next time, that'll be done and we'll use the table saw. Cool. Like this video if you want to see the next one. Maybe I'll be finishing it. Maybe not though. Bye. Bye.